Fuck this bitch ass lady, bro.
So what happened?
Fucking cut me off, and all my Starbucks went everywhere, bro.
So he bought Starbucks and he's driving back, and some fucking she almost ran into someone. Not ran into, T-boned somebody. Spilled all over the car, so he vacuumed it. And then we come over here. We got fucking Mario putting on some new headers. Well, some of y'all probably know. He had a Corsair exhaust. He bought it off him. He's supposed to sell the car, and now he's keeping it. Huh? All right, what's going on today, boys?
Oh, I'm putting on my coat.
What's going on today?
Man, I look like a fucking bum, but look, we're near my fucking headers. And the whip install.
Hell yeah, we're doing it all. We're doing it all. I'm gonna crawl in here in a second. Do this stupid fucking bracing sheet. We're waiting on some more people, but oh well. You hear him?
What is that?
Did you hear him?
No, I didn't.
So how you feeling this fine evening? I know camera's straight in your face.
Feeling very good.
Yeah.
Hey, shut your bitch ass up. Look at you, not even working on your headers. It's called labor. I got mine.
Hey, y'all said you guys want to start a YouTube channel. I'm just here to help.
It's just, no, I want to start one. It's just, I fucking hate recording and I hate editing.
Well,
recording and editing?
I love the recording part.
Hey.
I love the recording part, but I fucking hate the editing.
What? Not the recording?
Yeah, it's recorded.
Fucking Mario, dude.
Them fucking hooks are barely holding on.
Oh, yeah. You know it's hyper when it got that blue?
I think we should be working on Yo Car right now. We're working on Yo Car.
If it wasn't for me finding those headers, you wouldn't have headers right now. Let's be honest here.
You want a kiss?
It wasn't even on camera.
If it wasn't for me, you would still be. Adrian wouldn't have his headers.
If you didn't crash, I would have never saved gas on. I never saved money on. I never saved money on gas.
Yeah, dude, I helped out on that. I couldn't help out on your ELD. Thank man. When you put these on?
Why the lights?
Hey, you have.
Oh, hey! What are you gonna do today? Go put my fucking side skirts on.
I bet.
Yeah. All right.
We're getting a lot of things done.
Hey, what's it called? Are you gonna help me put my stereo though?
Your what?
My diffuser. The one you did. Alright, yeah, bring them on. I'll put them on. Are you gonna spray paint?
We're doing Camaro shit today.
Oh, you
I was gonna put them the other day, but this fool had my car.
Alright, bet.
I haven't seen the two-door in person. I think it's freaking sick.
Yeah.
Hey, where's the bolt? Right there.
I think my black truck has the same one.
It's nothing but.
I need another screwdriver. I mean, impact. We got the exhaust out. Now we're gonna take it off the manifold and the cats.
This thing is gonna be 100% California legal at the end of it.
America, baby!
America. Alright, catch this up real quick.
Look. I'll just turn on like that. Just turn on like that. Watch that turn on.
No, don't turn it on.
No, just play.
What's it? I got him off.
Let me get this.
Okay, try to clean up the script.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Try to clean that shit up.
How would I clean it?
Got these bazookas. You got like a little brush and you stick inside this?
What's your problem with the eye? Oh, this is wearing eyeshadow now.
Stop trying to point that out, bro.
Hey, you're gonna see me like, yeah, how am I gonna abuse it?
So I'm gonna grab food.
Once you get that,
When I come back, the header's already in. And I'm working on them right now. So, yeah.
alright. Alright. Hey, just help me do those so I can start just both them over.
Mario.
My car. Straight.
Corners, that's Diego's weak spot.
Hey, I almost spun out.
That's an asshole move.
Asshole.
You guys were like 3 minutes behind me. You guys can't drive for shit, bro.
Look where we're at and look where your car is.
There was no judge by the
Straight
time you guys got
line.
there.
No, we couldn't see. We weren't that far behind because
No,
you got, dude. I was upside down and I was hard. You got in the car by the time we ran up.
Me being in the back, I saw you guys about a mile up going to the
I was right behind you. Remember the video when you were getting out the car? I was right behind you.
I gotta say it, dude.
Yeah, I never seen Mario go on live. Well, he said he was driving up there and I was like, damn, there's no way these fools got there already. I was working. Dude, and then I opened it and I just see a car upside down. And I was like, please don't be orange. Please don't be orange. And then I was like, fuck, it's cool.
So you understand what's going on, Diego?
They're slow. And that bro can't do it.
Oh, still working on the last part. Me and Diego got the engine tied back together and shit. Headers and fucking steering caps all in, everything. We got this tied back together. These ones are fucking throwing shit underneath. But how long would you say this took?
5 hours. It's gonna take like 7 hours, no lie.
What? Yeah, we're gonna get this done. So I'm not gonna take that long ass process again.
I know I thought the jacks. It'll be fine.
Alright, go for it. How do you guys feel? Huh?
It sounds like shit.
What?
The fan.
How do you feel? Finally got it.
The back.
So, I'm gonna weld it. I don't know where D's going. Douches.
Open up the.
Oh, it is.
This is no side.
Here, it is.
I know, but it should say on the side panel, like, kind of give or take.
Gonna weld it?
I'm not sure how loud it's gonna be, but.
Put that shit in the corner so it kind of lights up. Put it closer, but like right here.
Ready? Right there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fuck, I'm scared. Hold on, pause. Ready?
Go for it, Terry.
Yeah.
And then okay. So you can go for a drive right now or something.
What size is it? And then
Look at this man.
when you go.
Hey, daddy's money, daddy's money.
Where?
It wasn't like that when I had my Corsa.
What do you mean?
I'm not putting him over there, son. I'm not. Look.
Yeah.